Hi everyone, my name is Annette.
And this is Tina.
Today we are going to talk about plastic-free July and August. Before we continue our presentation, this video will explain to you what is plastic-free July.
So what's plastic-free July? It's about learning to make small changes, just choosing to refuse the single-use plastics we use every day. Plastic-free July is a personal challenge as part of a global effort.
For the ocean.
For cleaner streets.
For the planet.
Choose one single-use plastic to avoid, and you'll soon discover another plastic and another great solution. By making one small change, you can make a real difference, and there's so many other changes you can try. Buy unpackaged products.
I'm learning how to bake.
Or start taking reusable bags when you shop.
The kids love going to our local farmers market.
Do plastic-free July at home.
Or at school.
I'm doing it at work.
I got my local cafe involved.
And a whole community joined in. Plastic-free July invites you to choose to refuse one single-use plastic. And with the help of hundreds of millions of other participants around the world, you can make a difference. The change you try, that's your plastic-free July choice.
Now let's see how plastics affect the world from both environment, animals, and human.
For the environment, plastic is everywhere, and most plastics last forever, so it can pollute water, soil, and air with toxins.
For animals, if we don't eat plastics, why should animals have to eat plastics that we throw into the sea? Animals eat plastics, people eat animals. It actually means you eat plastics. Let's see what actions people have taken. Lauren Singer is a YouTuber who shared tips about how to live a plastic-free life. She contained her 5 years of trash in one jar.
Nearly 200 countries signed a treaty at the United Nations Environment Assembly to end the scourge of plastic pollution by the end of 2024.
Even though they work so hard to take so many actions to support our environment, but what does our school environment look like? Do you actually want our school to look like this? Of course not. So we should do something about that. In Plastic Free July, we would like to ask you to do as much as you can to not use any plastic. In Plastic Free July, you can choose to refuse single-use takeaway cups, choose to refuse pre-packed fruits and vegetables, choose to refuse single-use plastic and dental products, buy less and use less.
There are two bins for plastics in our school, soft plastic and recycled plastic. Soft plastic refers to grocery bags, bubble wrap, bread bags, and anything you buy that has a soft plastic sheath. Recycled plastics are these three types of plastic: Type 1, Type 2, and Type 5.
In Plastic Free July, these are the coming up events: plastic craft and poster competition, plastic bags exchange, tote bags making, Year 7 and 8 competition. See more information on daily notices and the poster around the school. Together we can make a big impact. Thank you.